If your outlet is making a humming noise when you plug in a device, that's a sign you gotta check it out before things get messy. So, first off, unplug everything from that outlet, okay? Give it a quick look to see if anything looks loose or weird, like the cover plate or the outlet itself. Sometimes the screws inside can get loose, and that little wiggle makes the hum happen. If you're comfy with basic tools, turn off the power at the breaker and tighten those screws inside. If the noise keeps buzzing even after tightening, it might be time to swap out the outlet for a fresh one. Another cause could be the device you're plugging in. Try plugging it into another spot to see if the noise follows. If it does, the problem might be your device, not the outlet. Also, older outlets or ones that aren't grounded properly can hum, so think about upgrading to newer, grounded outlets for safety and peace of mind. If you ever smell burning or see sparks, cut power immediately and call an electrician. It's not worth risking your safety over a humming noise. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a humming outlet is ignoring it because they think it's just normal background noise. That can lead to bigger electrical issues or even fires down the road. Another common problem is trying to fix electrical stuff without turning off the power first, which is super risky. Always switch off the breaker before touching any wiring. Lastly, people often overlook the device causing the noise and assume the outlet is faulty, when in reality it's a bad power adapter or charger. So, always test your device on another outlet before jumping to conclusions. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and don't mess around. It also helps contractors find solid work, so everyone wins without the usual hassle.